Hi everyone, this is Jorge15, and I would like to announce that the video delivery service is now on the PSP. Portable entertainment has just gotten better. It just got better. And they also have E3 2009. That's right, yesterday was E3 for Sony. That also announced was this. The video delivery service is now on PSP. So if you have your chance, you might want to go to the delivery service and do it right now. Though I wish that they could have used the shoulder buttons to navigate through the store instead of having to pressing the button. Also, the PSP Go comes out on October 1st, but it's going to be a roughly $200. So I recommend you wait for the prices to go down first before you start buying one. So I'm gonna skip the PSP Go for the next review and wait for that price to go down. Then I'll buy it. Metal Gear Solid Peace Walker comes out for the PSP, I think in 2009 or 10. Media Go will replace the PSP Media Manager. So basically, I think it's for the use with the PSP Go. PSP Go is actually what it might or might not have a UMD drive, but we'll find out when we buy it. So buy any games you saw on E3. Gran Turismo also comes to the PSP. This is Jorge15, and thanks for watching this short video.